DJI doesn't just want to build drones anymore, they want to build an entire emergency response system. Let me show you what they call Dock as first responder. When most people hear DJI Enterprise, they probably think about bigger drones, thermal cameras, or industrial inspections. And honestly, that's exactly what I expected. So I went to Interschutz 2026, where DJI showcased its latest enterprise ecosystem, talked to the people behind the system, and tried to understand what they are actually building. But after spending the whole day over there, I realized the drone isn't actually the most interesting part. The real story is what happens before the drone even takes off. Because DJI isn't just trying to build better aircraft, they're trying to change the entire emergency response workflow. And that's exactly what we are going to break down in this video. Let's imagine there's a house on fire. Within seconds, somebody calls the fire department and the dispatcher picks up the phone, gathers as much information as possible and immediately sends the first units. And honestly, that's exactly what you'd expect. But here's the problem. At this early stage, the information is often incomplete, secondhand, or changing by the minute. Maybe the fire is already spreading, maybe somebody's still inside, maybe there are gas cylinders nearby, or maybe it's much smaller than originally reported. The truth is, at this point, nobody really knows. The exact same thing happens during traffic accidents, search and rescue missions, or police operations. First responders have to make critical decisions before they've even seen the scene. They are making decisions with the best information they have. But it doesn't mean they have the whole picture. And sometimes a few minutes can completely change the situation. So imagine if somebody could arrive first, not to replace a firefighter, not to replace a police officer, but to get eyes on the scene before they arrive. So how does DJI want to solve this problem? The answer is called Dock as first responder. When an authorized alert is triggered, a drone launched from the dock and immediately sends live area intelligence back to the command center. At first, I thought this was simply a box that stores and charges a drone. But after looking deeper into the system, I realized that's actually the least interesting part. The real idea is making sure the drone is already where it's needed before an emergency even happens. Instead of keeping the aircraft in the back of a vehicle, DJI pre-positions docks where fast response matters. The drone stays inside the dock 24 hours a day. It's fully charged, it's connected, and it's ready to launch within seconds. Think of that emergency from before. Instead of waiting until the pilot arrives on scene, the command center can immediately deploy the drone remotely. While firefighters are still driving, while police officers are still on their way, the drone is already flying towards the incident, and that's a huge difference because for the very first time, responders don't have to rely only on what somebody reported over the phone, they can actually see the situation with their own eyes before they arrived. That allows them to understand what's happening, adapt their response, and prepare the right equipment before the first vehicle even reaches the scene. And that's exactly what DJI calls Dock as first responder.
The advantage of DJI Dock 3 to commercial first responder is, at first, that we are ready 24/7, and on the other side, we don't have any traffic jam and we can fly directly to the emergency point.
That short statement actually summarizes the entire concept. The goal isn't replacing firefighters, police officers, or paramedics. The goal is making sure they arrive better prepared. Of course, deploying a drone like a Matrice is only one part of the system. The next question is, who actually sees all that information? And this is where FlightHub 2 comes in the game. Think of it as a control center behind the entire operation. The drone doesn't just record video, it streams everything back live. That means dispatchers and commanders don't have to wait for updates over the radio anymore. Instead, they can watch the situation unfold in real time through the eyes of the Matrice drone. They can see exactly where the drone is. They can follow its flight path. They can zoom into specific areas. And with AI features, FlightHub can even help identify people or vehicles during an operation. Instead of relying on assumptions, they now have a live aerial overview on the entire scene. That also means command centers don't have to wait until the firefighters, police officers or rescue teams arrive. They already know what's happening. And as the situation changes, FlightHub receives new information every second. That allows dispatchers to continuously adapt their response, send additional units if necessary, or cancel resources that are no longer needed. It's not replacing the people making decisions, it's simply giving them much better information to make those decisions.
The DJI Enterprise drones transmit their images directly to the FlightHub. The FlightHub 2 is our control center where we see the live stream of the images collected from the drone directly in our control center.
And that's really the key. The Matrice drone collects the information, but FlightHub delivers it to the people making the decisions. At this point you might be thinking, okay, they have a live video feed. But DJI believes that's only the beginning. Throughout the entire briefing they kept coming back to three simple ideas: see, know and send. And honestly, those three words probably describe the whole system better than anything else. The first one is see. Instead of hearing about the incident over the phone, emergency services can actually see what's happening from above. The second one is know. Once the drone arrives, responders don't have to guess anymore. They know whether the fire is spreading, they know if people are still on scene, and they know where the danger is. And finally, send. Now that they understand the situation, dispatchers can make much better decisions. Maybe one fire truck is enough, maybe they need 3, maybe police support is required, or maybe an ambulance should be dispatched immediately. Instead of reacting first and understanding later, they understand first and react accordingly.
Out of the images from the drone, the fire department is able to choose the right vehicles, the right tools, which we want to send out to the emergency.
And that's probably the biggest advantage of the entire system. It's not about getting a Matrice drone to the scene first, it's about getting the right people with the right equipment there as quick as possible. So far we've talked a lot about the technology, but a question still remains. Is this actually being used in the real world? The answer is absolutely yes. And that's probably what impressed me the most at Interschutz. DJI isn't building Dock as first responder for one single type of mission. They are building a system that can be adapted to completely different environments. Take firefighting for example. Instead of sending crews into an unknown situation, a drone can arrive first and provide a live aerial overview while the first trucks are still on their way. The exact same principle works for police operations. Instead of relying only on witness reports, officers can already see what's happening before they arrive on scene. Search and rescue is another obvious application. A drone can quickly search large areas, helping rescue teams cover much more ground in a fraction of the time. DJI also shared an example from South Africa, where Dock systems are helping rangers protect huge wildlife reserves from poaching and other threats. But while I was walking around Interschutz, I found something even closer to home. At the Skyflow booth, they showed a real Dock 3 deployment that's already supporting emergency services in Munich. When an emergency call comes in, the drone can launch automatically, stream a live video feedback to the control center and gives the dispatcher an immediate overview of the situation before the first responders even arrive. Completely different location, completely different mission, but exactly the same idea. Get eyes on the scene first, understand what's happening, then send the right resources. And after seeing all of this, I realized something. Dock as first responder isn't really about the drone itself, it's about making better decisions earlier. And that's exactly what makes this system so interesting. Now that we understand the concept, let's take a quick look at the hardware that makes the entire system work. And as you've probably noticed by now, it's not just about the drone, it's about 3 components working together. First, there's the DJI Dock 3. This is where the aircraft stays when it's not flying. The dock protects it from the environment, keeps the batteries charged and is ready to deploy the drone automatically when it's needed. The second component is the aircraft itself. DJI's Matrice 4D series was specifically developed for autonomous dock operations. Whether it's performing routine dock operations or responding to an event-triggered DFR mission, its job is always the same. Get to the scene as quick as possible and send live information back to the command center. And finally, there's the FlightHub 2. This is where operators monitor the mission, receive the live video feed and coordinate the entire response. So individually, none of these components is particularly revolutionary, but once you connect all three together, the dock, the aircraft and the FlightHub, you end up with a complete area response intelligent layer instead of just another drone. Personally, I also like that DJI didn't just display the hardware behind glass. Visitors could get a close look at the dock, the aircraft and the entire ecosystem, making it much easier to understand how all the individual components work together. So after spending a full day at Interschutz, I think it's fair to say this wasn't the video I expected to make. I came here thinking DJI would simply introduce another Enterprise drone, a better camera, a few new features, maybe a little more flight time. Instead, I walked away with something completely different. For the first time, I had the feeling that the drone itself is no longer the actual product. It's simply one piece of a much bigger ecosystem. And honestly, I think that's a really interesting direction. Because whether you're talking about firefighting, police operations, search and rescue or infrastructure inspections, every single of those missions start with the same question. What's actually happening? If a drone can answer that question just a few minutes earlier, dispatchers can make better decisions. First responders can prepare more effectively, and hopefully everyone arrives knowing a lot more than they did just a few minutes before. Will systems like this become the standard in emergency response? Honestly, I don't know. But after everything I've seen here at Interschutz, I definitely would not be surprised. Now, I'd love to hear your opinion. Do you think DJI is heading in the right direction with a system like Dock as first responder? Drop me your thoughts down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more drone content. But that's enough YouTube for today. Go outside, go fly. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. See you. Bye bye.